Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to make this delicious cinnamon apple tea cake. It's so simple and easy to make, and I'll take you through step by step on how to make it. We're going to combine all the dry ingredients, so in a large mixing bowl sift together the plain flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt and cinnamon. We're using baking soda in this recipe as we're going to be adding a bit of sour cream. Sift all the ingredients together and set that aside. In a separate mixing bowl, place together the butter and sugar and cream that until it's light and fluffy. Once the butter and sugar are well combined, add 1 egg and the vanilla extract. Continue beating that together until the egg is well combined with the butter mixture. Make sure that you continue to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go to make sure everything is well incorporated. Once the wet ingredients are light and creamy, we can start adding in the sour cream and the flour. We're going to be adding half at a time. Add in half of the sour cream into the mixing bowl and fold that through before adding half of the flour in. Mixing these ingredients in 2 parts makes it much easier to mix, and you also get a smoother cake mix. Once all the ingredients are well incorporated, we can add that into a 20 cm springform tin that is greased and lined. Before we place the cake in the oven, we're going to decorate it with sliced apples. Peel, core and slice the apples so that they're about 1 to 2 millimeters thick, and then arrange them on the top of the cake. We want the apples to be sliced fairly thin, as they will caramelize and become beautiful as the cake cooks. To finish off the cake before placing it into the oven, we'll also sprinkle on some cinnamon and sugar. This gives the cake a beautiful apple pie taste. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar on top and place it into the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the cake should be beautifully golden on top. You can test it with a skewer, and if it comes out clean, then it's done. The apples will have nicely caramelized on top, and this cake tastes almost like a cross between an apple pie and a cinnamon tea cake. The cake is beautifully crumbly and not too sweet, and it's a perfect addition to any afternoon tea. I would love to know what your go-to recipe for afternoon tea is. Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this recipe and would like to see more recipes just like this one, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!